Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys an application that will pay you simply by reading news online just for free without any investment. All you need is your internet connection, and then you open your app and then you read the news and then you make money. You can earn at least 14,000 naira, even 2,000 naira, even 20,000 naira. They are all possible. What you're accumulating is actually coins, and those coins can be converted to naira and withdrawn to your local bank account for free. So all you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because at the end of this video you are going to gain a lot of value and you are going to start making money online with your smartphone for free. That's the sweet thing about this very video I'm making today. And then if you're new to this channel, my name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I done this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel on how to make money online with your smartphone. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with your smartphone on money making. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who will be interested in joining this particular update I'm sharing today, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. So you use the group link to join the group. That is where we have made the link available. You can access the link there. The reason you will not see the link here on YouTube is because YouTube prohibits anything that we violate their community guidelines. So that is the reason why, to make sure that the community is safe for everyone. So you have to join our WhatsApp group so that you can get the link from there. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's proceed, guys. So this is the application, or this is the platform. The name of this platform is known as Bounty News. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what Bounty News is all about and how you make money from Bounty News and how you also withdraw money from Bounty News. All these things I'm going to be showing you in this video. And please take note, I said this platform is totally free, no investment required. Okay, and then I'm also going to show you guys payment proof. As you all know, before I bring any updates on YouTube to share, I must verify it myself. I must confirm the legitimacy, the reliability before bringing it to my followers. Okay, so this platform is 100% legit and totally free. So you can see it here. You can see my own dashboard here. So let us sign in. You can also see that there is nothing like option. There is no option to deposit. You only have the withdrawal option here. And like I said earlier, what you're earning is coin, and you can earn this coin when you read news on daily basis. Now, how do you earn on this platform? Is very simple. Click, you see on your dashboard, you'll be seeing home, you will see slides, you will see person. Click on task. So when you click on task, you see read now. So every blessed day you read this news. Every blessed day you are going to read this news. Okay, and each coin is 1 naira. Each coin is equivalent to 1 naira. So if you are having 13,000 coin, you're having 13,000 naira. And if you're having 40,000 coin, you're having 40,000 naira. So any amount of coin you are having, the equivalent is in naira. Please take note. So click on read now. When you click on read now, first of all, every day you sign in. Click on sign in daily to receive 30 to 50 coins. Okay, so you receive before you read every day. This is what you should do. Click on person, click on sign in daily. You know, I was having 75 before, but now I'm having 105. So click on sign in daily. Every day when you click on sign in daily, you are going to be given 15 coin to 90 coins. So you can see it here. You can see the calendar here on how you earn the coin. So that's it, guys. So now click on task. When you click on task, you can click on read now. So when you click on read now, click on I've already read. Scroll down. So this is the news now. They are going to bring you to their home. So any of this news here, just click on it. So when you click on it, let's refresh. Okay, this one no record. Let's check. Let's choose another one. So let's click on this one. So when you are reading, you just read it for 30 seconds. You see this time here is going to be counting. It's going to be counting. It's going to be counting as you are scrolling down. Just be scrolling down. As you're scrolling down reading the news, it's going to be counting. Once it reaches, it's going to show you completed. So this is how to earn on Bounty News. Okay. Then once the time finishes, you click on this top up button here to like the news. So the money is going to be credited to you. I'm going to show you how to claim the money which you have read on this news. You just have to wait patiently for the next 30 seconds. Please take note that you must scroll down for this time to start counting. Okay, so you can see now finish reading. You can see completed completed reading. Then click on this thumb up here to like the news. So then go back. So when you go back, click on task again. Then you can see this place here now available now. I finished reading this news, available now. Click on available. So you can see, click on finish. So that's it. You can see request in progress. So they have added the earning for me here. So they have added the earning for me here. Remember, I was having 105 and they have added the earning for me here. So let us read news again. So you read news again. So you choose another news, click on this cancel option here. So we are going to read another news now. So you scroll down. When you are scrolling down, the time will be reading for you. So you are scrolling down. So you are reading this news on social media platform to earn money for free. Please take note, I said it is totally free, no investment, all for free. Okay, you are reading just 30 seconds, reading of 30 seconds news, and then you are earning money with your smartphone for free. So you can see. So you just wait patiently for the time to finish. So remember, whenever you finish reading, you have to go back to task and then click on available to claim the coin. Okay, so now you can see completed reading, then click on thumb up like, so you like it, and then you go back. So go back, click on task again, then you can see it here available again, click on available, then click on finish. So when you click on finish, request in progress, you can see I'm now having 150 coins, which is 150 naira. So that is how you do it every day. And then another way you can earn is by inviting friends. So click on invite, copy your link here, copy your link here. Now please take note that when you invite your friends on this platform, you are not going to be given commission immediately. You only get commission when your friends make withdrawal. That is when you be giving commission. Okay, so that's it. When you be giving commission is when your friends make their first withdrawal, then 10% of whatever they have earned will be credited to your account, then you can also withdraw it. This platform is 100% legit. I've also made video on how to withdraw on this platform. So the next video that is going to display is how to set up your account and also how you make withdrawal. I want this video to be short, so that's the reason why I may not be showing you in this video. So the next video that is going to play, if you downloaded this video, make sure you are streaming this video so that the video will pop out. You will see how to place your withdrawal on this platform for free. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. And again, before I forget, please take a look at your screen. See payment proof. Payment proof. Can you see payment proof? Payment proof. And then don't forget, I said if you're interested in joining this platform, our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. And please, if you have joined my WhatsApp group before, don't join again. If you're in group 1, don't join. If you're in group 2, don't join, because whatever I post on group 1 is what I post on group 2. So remain in my group 1 if you're my group 1. If you're my group 2, remain there. But if you're not in any of my group, for you to be able to get link to join this platform, if you are interested, then you can join our WhatsApp group. From there, you'll be given the link to register and start reading news and start earning money for yourself for free with zero investment, no investment required, all for free. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. Make sure to share this video to friends and family so that everyone will get to know more about this platform, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.